The house is located in Palm Beach, one of the small bays of Waiheke Island. In the particular lot is part of a new subdivision called Wawata. We get that aspect looking right across to Coromandel in the far distance over the water. And then to the western side of the property, there's a lot of native bush. Particularly special out of this project is that it's a home for my own family. It's sort of a special challenge as an architect designing a home for your own family. The particular site is relatively narrow and fairly steep land running down the hill towards the bay. So we position the house at the highest point on the hillside nearest where the driveway comes in. And then we cut the house into the hillside, so it's sort of half cut in and only just ascending out of the ground. Really trying to create like a generous flat terrace space for the living areas of the house. On arrival, you're greeted by a long and relatively blank concrete wall as kind of protection to the hill above. As the concrete driveway sort of meets the house, we've changed to a timber deck, so it almost feels like a bridge as you cross over from the concrete driveway up to the timber front door. We've used a cantilevered steel staircase with a fine steel rod screen to the side. We've also used a high ceiling feature there to bring kind of soft south light into that space. So as you come down, it reveals the view as you come into the living space. Sliding doors go all three sides of the living area, so it enables the room to open up to all directions to see the view right around, but also depending on the wind and the sun as to which side of the room you may open up. To the eastern end is the kitchen, which leads out into a morning courtyard space. And then at the furthest western end, we have a sort of outdoor lounge area with an outdoor fireplace and a barbecue. On the upper level, we've used sliding timber screens so you can completely shutter the bedroom level of the house. But each of those screens can slide along, so you can have rooms fully open or partially screened as you choose. The screens really soften the house and make it recede into the bush looking back from the bay. The kitchen is an important part of the design, so it features sort of a long travertine stone island bench that runs through, so it has both the sink and cooking on the main bench surface. Behind that, all of the cabinetry's been integrated seamlessly using a black stained ash timber. The overall effect we wanted to do was to get a really calm and natural feel to the home, so quite timeless, beautiful raw materials. I think all of those things combined to really create that relaxed sort of beachside quality to the house.